Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Thomas, owner of Epitome of Excellence Designs and Decor, otherwise known or referred to as EOEDesigns. And y'all know what's so funny about that intro? I didn't realize that it was like my intro or that I consistently did it like that until I went back looking at some videos and I realized that I always say it like that most of the time. So nonetheless, I want to go ahead and get started with what we have. And I just want to thank y'all for one, because y'all's consistency is what keeps me consistent. I remember when I first started doing this YouTube stuff, I really was just doing it and uploading here or there, or when I felt like uploading. And when my following got as big as it did, I started to get comments when I didn't upload. So my mission has been to upload every Sunday at 12 o'clock a.m. Eastern. And if I don't, or if I'm late, y'all stay on me. So in some way, shape, form, or fashion, I want to make sure I provide to you guys good quality content and to be intentional about what I give you and not just throw you out anything for the sake of uploading a video. So we're going to keep on keeping on, and we're going to run on and see what the end's going to be. I have some stuff that I want to show y'all for this upcoming event this weekend. It is a Winnie the Pooh baby shower, and it is not your typical Winnie the Pooh. Though I would love to dive into doing Winnie the Pooh the traditional way, which is a lot more colorful. I can throw in reds and play off of like the tan and just different things in that kind of sense. But everybody's going to different things, or they're going a different approach. And this one is no different than any other event that I've had. People like what they like, but they like it with a twist, or they like what they like, and that's what they stick to as far as being inspired. So I'm excited about this event because, for one, the client that has booked me is booking through, I think it's her cousin or somebody like that, but she's the one I'm communicating with. And y'all know how I feel about being overwhelmed with a lot of pictures or with a lot of inspiration. So I had the opportunity to prove myself to this client because she's a new client. And part of the conversation we had was her being nervous about what I could offer or what I could bring to the table. I think I was referred to her. So, you know, how if you referred to somebody, yeah, you referred me, but do you really put out what you say you put out? So this is one of those situations. So when we were talking, I sent the link to my event page and I said, hey, check out, my baby showers, and then come back and tell me what you think. So I think she was pleasantly surprised, but again, I won't really know how she feels until we actually do this event. So I'm gonna dive right into what I have. Before we go any further, make sure you hit the subscribe button, you click the notification bell so you get notified when I upload these videos. And let's see what we got. So the first things first, I'm gonna get the small stuff out of the way, or the stuff that y'all kind of know that I'll be using regardless. And first thing is just my gold centerpiece, my gold utensils. Nothing really fancy about this. I was having a conversation with y'all a couple months ago when I was telling you, if you order in bulk, then the likelihood of you not having to keep ordering the item is very slim. So I order things like this in bulk, and I don't leave extras. If the event or the client paid for 20 people, then that's what I'm setting up for. So I already had these in my event arsenal, and I just pulled it out and put it to the side because I knew I would be using it. Something else that I like to get, which is so funny to me because I used to hold these near and dear to my heart. These are the frames that I put on the table because I'd be looking for them after the event is over, but they only cost me $1.25. Some only cost me $1 because I got them before Dollar Tree went up. And as you can see, I've already used this one before, but I'm gonna put a picture of what I'm gonna insert here. And the reason I think it's befitting to use this is because this gold is just gonna automatically tie in while I'm using the gold utensils, and then the wood grain around it is gonna tie in with some other little pieces of brown that I'm going to incorporate. So I am using these frames for the table to tie everything together. And then I bought these frames off of Amazon months and months ago, probably 10 months ago, when I did the Older Places You'll Go baby shower. And I love these frames because they are plastic. This is plastic, so I don't have to worry about this getting broken. And my wife actually purchased this insert. I didn't make this. She purchased this insert offline somewhere, and we printed it off, I believe, because we did another Winnie the Pooh baby shower. So this is actually my second Winnie the Pooh baby shower. I think the other one was for a girl, and this one is for twins. So already I played on, for the Winnie the Pooh baby shower for the girl, I played on like blushes and rose gold. I did the glitz and the glam. That was at the fire station. And then for this one, my approach is going to be a little bit different. I'm trying not to use the big sequin or paillette for my tablecloths. This is me talking from the future, or from the past to the future, or however we put it. And I'm saying it, but I don't know how it's going to all play out. But that's my plan. I plan on keeping it soft, because I've had that other places would go baby shower. My client told me she did not want to use the silver, shiny, glittery stuff. That's why when I went back and looked at the pictures, I was like, make sure I fulfill that. And I was looking at the utensils that I had. We paid a good amount of money for the utensils that we had. But when I went back and looked at them, they looked like disposable utensils, which they were, but they were the white ones with the oblong, the big round spoon. That's neither here nor there, but I'm trying to say that some clients don't want to see that glittery glam stuff, so gold utensils would not have worked for that baby shower. Another thing, just simple plates. The white round plates. I already have some over here. This is a count of 30. The baby shower I'm setting up for is for 30 people, so I have more than enough for that. And let me show you how the balloons, because the balloons is really going to tell the story on what colors I'm going to use. And I'm hoping that the camera does it justice. It never does it justice until the balloons actually get blown up. But these are the colors that I'm going to be using for the baby shower. I'm using a mint green, yellow, and blue. Sorry, y'all. I wanted to come off or interpret it the right way. So these are the colors that I'm going to be using. Of course, y'all know what kind of balloons I'm already using, so you're an OG follower. If you're not, go back a few videos. So I'm going to be using those colors. So while you are watching me, think about the colors that I showed you and how I'm trying to tie everything in together. So I ordered a bunch of little trinkets. Like I said, I already have some of this stuff. For some of this stuff, I feel like I owe it to my client to give them a different experience for that event. I've done that cloud baby shower 3 times now. I did. One of them was Heaven Sent with the clouds incorporated. That was with the angel wings. The other one was Floating on the Clouds is the theme that they gave me. That was different. And then I think I did, what was the other one? Oh, the She's a Little Piece of Heaven. So in some way, form, or fashion, I have done those. But anyway, these right here, they look like Monopoly pieces to me. They are very small, but it is all in the details. Now, I'm gonna put these out and I'm gonna pray that I get them back. Ain't they just as cute as they want to be? Just to give you an idea, they are very small. And I ordered 6 of these little bees. When I think of Winnie the Pooh, I think of bees, I think of beehives, I think of nature, I think of trees, I think of grass, I think of him, of course, I think of honey, things like that. So I ordered 6 of these. One of them was all of them in packs. I took one out of the pack, so that's just one of them. Listen to my voice, y'all. We had choir rehearsal tonight, and I teach the part, so my voice is hoarse. It's trying to get hoarse. I'm not even gonna claim that it's hoarse because we got 2 services on Sunday, and I don't want to, y'all know what's crazy. We got 2 services Sunday, and I have to do the event Sunday. I already kind of knew. I'm actually taking a liking to the Sunday events because it gives me time to prep myself real good on Saturday. During the week, I don't have time. And got 2 services Sunday. The event, I need to see what time it starts. But I think I still have time. I'm gonna work it out. I'm gonna do the event. I'm going to first Sunday service, and then I'm going to second service, and then I'm gonna take down the event. Okay. I think it's been fitting to show y'all this. I use these at the Tiger Theme baby shower. And it just ties in little phrases from the Winnie the Pooh theme. And I don't know where I'm gonna use these. I might use them on the balloons. I might use them on the backdrop. I might use them on the table. I do not know. I just got them because I know that they will be used. I brought these for the dessert area, but it looked like I might have to put these together. And it comes with some little bees. So I'm gonna put a picture of what it looks like online, and I assume that that's the way it will be coming, but I guess not. So I'm gonna put this stuff to use somewhere. I might put it on the dessert table, I don't know. Now I do have a few of these. I'm gonna take this out the pack because I don't think this pack is doing this justice. And these are, what do you call them? What do you call these flowers, Lord? Ponies, I believe. And they look real small in the pack. 4 of them come in the pack. But once I get them and wake them up, I like getting flowers like this because it limits what I have to do as far as greenery and fillers, because it's already got my little fillers in there. And this is what it looks like. I think that's pretty neat. And I ordered 12 of these because I'm gonna make centerpieces for these for this event. And while I have you, I'm on the fence, y'all. What I wanna do is, I bought these baskets. When I think about when I bought them, I think about I only had one baby at the time. And me and my wife were on vacation, just me and her, I believe. And we stopped at a Dollar Tree in Myrtle Beach. And I said I was gonna get these baskets because I know I would have needed them again at some point, because I had did the hot air balloon baby shower and I could not find these baskets anywhere without ordering them, and I had time enough to order. So I said, I'm gonna pick up a few of these, and I think I got 6 of them. And I only paid $1 truly for these at the time. It was not $1.25 at the time. So that was a good deal. A woven basket, and it's a nice size, makes a great centerpiece. My plan was to use some baby blue flowers and the yellow flowers to make a centerpiece for the top of this. And then, y'all, this right here is probably gonna tickle y'all down in y'all soul. But I got these off of Amazon. And these are, I'm gonna open them, because y'all, these are yard size. I know I'm giving away all my secrets. Let me tell you like I tell my wife. What God has for me is for me. These are the little sticks for them, because I don't want to get them off Etsy. But look at that, y'all. Look. And I'm going to take the characters and stick them down in the top to make the centerpiece. Look at Eeyore. And it's the perfect shade to give me Winnie the Pooh. Like the, not too much color is what I'm trying to say. Everything is kind of like a muted neutral tone. So this is what I'm looking like. Now, unbeknownst to me to just now, I did not know that the back was white, but I have done it before where one side of the centerpiece was shown. But I want to show y'all this, because I ordered these too. I said I'm gonna order these because I don't know if the centerpiece is gonna be the ones that I got was gonna be big enough. And these right here are actually nice size. So they are just as big, if not as big, as the ones that go in the yard. So I got these two, and these are giving me a neutral feel. And the good thing about them is, look, booyah, they front and back. Now by the time y'all see this, I would have already made my decision on which ones I'm gonna use. But I kind of feel it down in my spirit that I want to use these. I feel it down in there. And I might use the other ones on the head table. and maybe make something that goes across. Now my wheel's turning. It's so many different Winnie the Poohs, y'all. Winnie and Piglet, Christopher Robin and Pooh, Pooh Piglet, no, Pooh and Piglet, yeah. Pooh, Eeyore and Piglet, Pooh and Piglet again, Pooh Digging and Honey, and this right here might be my favorite. That's huge. I can't remember how much I paid for them, but same thing, Amazon. So I'm probably gonna lean more towards using that one, but I like that because with these kind of events, as long as you got your color, your theme, and you got pieces that make statements, but they don't do too much, you're fine with it. So you can actually bring an event out just by, like I can take the same pink tablecloths for an event, and I can use them for a Barbie theme party. I can use them for a blush or like a Sweet 16 pink event. I can use them for 50 Shades of Pink, things like that. So that's what I mean by investments, things that make you invest into your business, things that make sense, things that you can actually put back into yourself. So, and that's really all I have, you all. I've shown y'all how I make centerpieces 1,000 times. I'm gonna use the baskets, if I use that, the baskets, floor foam, floor inserts, and then I'm gonna insert the item into the top of the flower. I don't know why I'm so discombobulated. I need to eat dinner and then go lay my tail down. But make sure before you leave, you hit the subscribe button, click notification bell. Thank you again for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate y'all, and I thank God for you. Until next time, stay tuned for next week's video on the outcome of this event.